Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Ubuntu 2004. Open your web browser and go to ubuntu.com. Click download and click Ubuntu desktop. If you want to do just a command line interface, select Ubuntu server. Click save file and let it download. Once downloaded, exit out of your web browser and open up VirtualBox. Start with the previously created VM. It's going to ask for a startup disk. Open up the file that you just downloaded by adding it. Go to your downloads, choose it, and hit start. Exit out of it. Hit install Ubuntu. Select the correct keyboard layout and hit continue. If you're looking for a slim operating system, select minimal install, but we will leave it at normal, and we will not download any updates after installing. We'll update it after. And we will install third-party software for graphics. That way everything should work correctly. Hit continue. Leave erase disk and install Ubuntu and hit install now. Hit continue. Select where you are located. I am located near Los Angeles. Hit continue. Type in your name. Your computer's name, a username, and a password. And hit continue. And then let the process finish. Just be aware that this process may take a while. If you want it to go a little bit faster, you can change the amount of RAM and the amount of virtual CPUs in the settings of the VM before you start, or once the installation has finished and the VM has been shut down. And then click restart. Go to devices, optical drives, and make sure that the ISO is now unchecked, and hit enter. Click on your username and log in. And that's how you install Ubuntu 2004.